This is a code challenge for white. White already has a real eye here. So white's goal is to find another real eye through a code. And its only hope is either these 3 stones right here or this 1 stone right here. If white plays some conventional moves like this, it will fail, because after number 2, white can't really do anything here on the corner. And if you're wondering what these 2 stones are doing, I'll show you a different pattern without this exchange, and the whole problem will be different. But under this setup, white cannot succeed with number 1, and that requires us to play something here on the first line, right here. This will work, because if black pushes, white can cut, and this way this will be a ko. How does white win? White needs to find a co-thread elsewhere. Black can connect as a local co-thread, and white will try to capture these 2 stones with number 11. But of course, black can capture this ko. So this is one way to make a ko. If black saves this stone by connecting here, then white can cut here and make this ko by threatening to capture these 4 stones. So of course, black will capture first. White finds a co-thread elsewhere, captures back. Now if black connects, which is a local co-thread, but black is risking losing a lot more, right? So white can cut here, Atari, and black can capture back. And this code will continue like this. If black plays on the left like this, then white will be able to cut here, and this will be the second real eye white is looking for. But what about black playing something here? Right? If you cut here, now black will connect back. This is a tiger's mouth, and white will fail. If black plays here, then white can play right here. This is a very good move. If black plays something like this, then white can start this ko, like this. This is good for white, because connecting here is a local co-threat, and white can capture back. If black plays something like this, then this is wrong, because white can connect here, threatening to capture this stone. If black saves it, then these 5 stones will be dead. After this throw in and this Atari, black can no longer connect here, otherwise it will be captured by number 11. So that's why number 3 is a very good move. Similarly, if black plays something like this, then white will just connect here. Once again, white will be able to capture these 4 stones by cutting here and playing these 2 Atari moves at 7 and 9. And black already cannot connect at number 10. If it does, it'll be cut off and killed. So that's why number 1 will lead to a ko. Now as a bonus, let's look at the pattern where this exchange doesn't exist. So if the pattern looks like this, then white can actually make a living shape. It's a really fascinating sequence. I'll give you a hint. For the first couple of moves, white can play here, black will connect, and now white cuts here. Let's see if you can calculate this on your own. It's very complicated. Give it a try. If you're ready for the correct answer, here it is. So in order to preserve these 3 stones, black will connect. Otherwise, this will be very easy. White can cut here, Atari, and capture these 3 stones. So of course, black will connect here. This is 4 liberties versus 2, so white will need to extend its liberties. This is 4 versus 4, and black will keep playing this move. Now what happens is that white will need to cut here. It's a very sharp move. Bending here will not work, because after black captures, white only has 2 liberties left, and white will be killed. So white must cut here. This forces black to capture number 7. Black cannot play elsewhere, otherwise these 3 black stones will be captured by number 9. And number 9 gets to play this Atari, and black can capture here. And now this is a 3 liberties versus 4 liberties situation, but because of number 9's advantage, white can actually start exhausting black's liberties from the outside. And now conventional moves by black will not work. If you try something like this, then black will fail. It's not a ko, because what white can do is playing at number 17, 19, and make a living shape this way. There's another VOI here with number 21. And of course, here's another VOI that white already has. So black's strongest move is right here. And what happens now is that white will try to swallow number 12 this way. Black Ataris from the outside. White captures. Black starts this ko. But once again, white does not have to play through this ko, because white can exhaust black's liberties from the outside like this. Black captures. And now what happens is that white only needs to stand down here. And if black tries to destroy this eye, what happens is under the stones, right? Meaning white will allow black to capture it, but after this exchange, white can cut here and capture black right back. So this way white will succeed. So that's why after number 19, black will just capture these 3 stones and allow white to live this way. So this is the correct sequence, no code needed, and that is why in the original problem we have this exchange. Because black guards against this cutting point, white cannot make a clean living shape, and we'll have to play right here to make a code instead. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.